for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Well, it's a lovely day. Let's do a drawing of something you really like to drink. It's yummy.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
This is going to be a really colourful drawing. Is that okay?
Okay.
Why don't you go get your marker pens?
Yeah.
Artie's work, it comes from the heart. He's gonna draw and make some art.
It's always so exciting before Artie begins.
Well, Artie is certainly excited. Do you have your pens? And your paper?
Yeah.
Should we begin?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's start with a line on the right side of the paper going up at an angle. If you make the line a bit wiggly by mistake, you can thicken the line and it hides the wiggle. There you go, Artie. Now it looks perfect.
Wow, this is amazing!
Now let's draw a line on the other side of the paper, leaning out at the opposite angle. Perfect. Now let's connect those two lines at the top with a curve. Very good. That's great. Now let's connect the bottom of the two lines with a curve also. Now, little artists, I'll let you into a little secret. Artie's drawing a glass. But what's going to be inside the glass? It's a drink. But what kind of drink? Now draw another curve, just below the top curve. Now we have a nice empty glass, but no drink yet. Thicken up the lines. You know, Artie, I'm thinking of your favourite drinks. I'm trying to guess what this one's going to be. I have an idea of one of your very favourite drinks. You're not going to tell us yet, are you? Thickening the lines like this really helps to make the glass pop out from the background. You know, I think I've figured out what this drink is going to be. Oh yes, I know. Artie's drawing an S shape, and then another S shape on top. And a third one, yes, this is whipped cream on top, I can tell. A little hook, and another little hook. Yes, it's definitely whipped cream. You want a snack break?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a snack break. Well, Artie, you're holding a vegetable that's called a bell pepper.
Oh.
It's called a bell pepper because it's a funny shape, a bit like a bell.
Oh.
Bell peppers come in different colours: red, green, yellow, even orange. Bell peppers grow on plants. You can chop them into small pieces and put them into salads. They're yummy.
Yummy. Yum, yum.
Hey, B-Brush, is my cap on straight?
No.
Good, okay.
Okay, all back from your snack break. Are you ready to carry on drawing?
Okay.
Well, so far we have a glass with whipped cream on the top. I bet you Artie's going to draw a cherry. Yeah, I knew it. Little artist, I know what the drink is. It's a yummy milkshake. Let's draw the stem on the cherry. Thicken up the end a little bit. Perfect. Now, what do you need to drink a milkshake? That's right, a straw. Do 2 lines next to each other, and then at the top, do a tiny little oval shape. Some straws have a stripe pattern, so let's do some diagonal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a stripy straw. Now let's show the thick ice cream inside the milkshake with a wavy line. This is looking yummy already.
Yum.
Oh, I know, Artie. Let's do some sprinkles. I love sprinkles on the top of my milkshakes. Draw lots of tiny little circles randomly placed on top of the whipped cream. Perfect. A little circle inside the cherry. Now let's draw some lines around the top of the glass on the rim. This just helps the glass look a little bit more interesting. Some more lines on the left-hand side. But be sure to leave a space in the middle with no lines, because that helps make the glass look rounded. A couple of thin lines. That looks really good, Artie. It's made the glass seem round, like a cylinder shape. Perfect. Now, how about a face? Let's give the milkshake a face. Draw a circle on the left for the left eye. Very good. And then a circle on the right for the right eye. Try and touch them together in the middle if you can. It doesn't matter if they don't. Now, let's draw the black circle in the middle of the eye. Perfect, Artie. Fill it in. Nice and black. But leave a tiny little spot where you don't colour in the black. And that makes the eyes look shiny. Perhaps some eyebrows? And one on the right.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
It's really great, Betty. Okay, time for the mouth. Let's do a curve. And then let's do a sort of heart shape. An upside down heart coming out of the mouth. Can you guess what that is? It's the tongue, of course. Fill in the sides of the mouth. Perfect. And the other side. Fill it in black. And perfect. Needs something else. Oh, good idea, Artie. Let's draw lots of circles around the outside of the milkshake. Different sizes. Some small, some a little bit bigger. This just helps fill the page and give it some excitement. Wow, it looks great, Artie.
Artie, kid, that looks fine. Now color it in, but stay in the line.
finished. Wow, it looks so good, Artie. So colourful. You did a really great job. But now, I want a milkshake. Yummy.
Goodbye, Artie!
See you later, Artie.
Well, little artists, that's the end of the show today. We hope you enjoyed watching Artie draw his yummy milkshake. Have an Artie day.
Wow, wow.